Now, Robbie Crebar caught the bug for performing to large audiences when singing the national anthem for a Little League ceremony at age 11. Now a ninth grader at the Orange County High School of Performing Arts, he performs with student rock ensembles in the Commercial Music Conservatory, is the lead singer for the local teen band, Sweet Mojo, and made it to the top 160 finalists on the current season of The X Factor. He loves music and hopes that one day he can make it his career. Please welcome to our stage, Robbie Crebar.
Hey guys, how's it going? Having fun? Well, this first song I'm gonna play is a song by one of my favorite artists, Bruno Mars. It's called It Will Rain. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some muffin at my door. Whoa, guess it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Whoa, but keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. It's just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same when you walk away. Every day will rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eyes. Whoa, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing, saying there goes my little girl, walking with a troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, but little darling, watch me change their minds. Yeah, for you I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm painted. That will make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same when you walk away. Thank you.
All right.